they burn you, wait, touch me. Touch me. Oh yeah, touch me. If they burn you, wait, touch me. Touch me now. Touch me. See me here now. See me here now. If they burn you, wait. Well, Gwana, pigeon lovers have fun now on a day. I know. No crucify me. No crucify me. I love you people. It's almost a year. Literally, it's been 310 days since I came on here, and I am so sorry. Let me tell you, not be my fault. Not be my fault, oh. See, I lost access to this channel. I don't feel login. I don't feel reply comment. YouTube literally, see, I say no access. I thought I lost you guys. But now I have recovered this channel back. I am so happy. Oh my God. You don't know the value of what you have until you lose it. I nearly crazy. My pigeon lovers, where will I begin from? Where will I start from? How will I open a new channel? How are they going to find me? I thank God. Do you know, it's my friend in Brazil, oh. My friend in Brazil, if you're watching, hiya. He was my saving grace, and that is why I am back here again after almost a year. Oh my gosh. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you phrases never to say to a Nigerian, except of course, you want to fight with that person. Okay? You know how in every culture, I believe there are things that don't just say to my hearing, especially when I am angry. Those are the phrases we're going to be sharing in today's video. I am so excited and I'm so sorry. I'm just recovering. I'm sure you can tell my voice is not there yet, but I'm so happy. Oh, I'm so happy. Sitwithnwanneka is back to class. Okay, we've gone on 1 year break. We've resumed school. Sitwithnwanneka is back. How have you been doing with your pigeon though? Have you been, how far? Let me know in the comments how your pigeon. I get to see you guys commenting, even writing pigeon now. And I'm like, yo, wait till happen. Small yash, they shake, oh. Small yash, not they. Do you know that one of my subscribers reached out to me on Instagram and we were chatting with pigeon. This is not American. This is not Black American, you know. It's so wonderful to see. I'm so happy. I'm so blessed to have all of you here. And now, let's get this video started right away. The first phrase I'll be teaching you today is, thunder fire your mama yash. Thunder fire your mama yash. Hey! Hey! Trouble. Let's start. What did you say? Thunder will strike my mom's butt. Hey, you've looked for my trouble. Like, I did not plan to fight you, but because of this thing you've said, see, something loses here. See, let me tell you something, right? If you do not want to provoke a Nigerian, never mention your mother. Hey, Nigerians do not play with their moms. Nigerians will do anything just to prove that you don't mention my mom like that. I don't know about any other culture. I know about Nigerians for sure. And you would understand better when we get to the pigeon phrase of the day. Okay? You would understand what I mean better. You want to insult me? Insult me. But please leave my mom out of it. Before you go, they say, thunder fire your mama. Before you say, nyash, thunder fire your mama. That's what you're going to receive. The second one is your father. Hey, listen, this is beyond language, okay? Me explaining this to you, I'm explaining as a Nigerian. We are loud people. We are very dramatic. We demonstrate as we talk. We are very, you know, we're not always like that, but we have that part, especially when we're in an argument. Do you get that? So, don't tell a Nigerian, your papa, your father, your papa, your father. Ha! I don't know. Now, this is not, you know, the mama one now, I say they love their mama. Of course, we love our fathers. But when you see your papa, I don't know why Nigerians are so angry. It's not about you insulting my father now, because you did not even really insult my father. You just said your father, right? But I think it has to do with ego. I don't know. I just feel, we're not going to let you go. You can't tell me my papa. I can never let you go. My papa. Nah, you've drawn the line. You have drawn. See, the battle line has been drawn. Your father, your papa, not you people, not you. No, I'm not insulting your father. No, I'm just explaining the video. I beg, go hug transformer. I beg. No, they talk to me. Go hug transformer. When you go hug a transformer, you're going to get electrocuted. So when they say go hug transformer, it means just get out and go and die. Make I go hug transformer. You didn't talk to me. You didn't talk to me. You didn't crazy. Man, go hug transformer. You didn't mad. Hey, bang, bang, bang. Oh, Benny, you not fit do me anything. You know the look face. I said you not fit do me anything. You've just see the ego in me. I cannot do you anything. You're daring me. I cannot do anything, Abi. You not fit do me anything, Abi. I will show you. You don't dare people. Generally, I don't think you dare people. Do your worst. All those kind of things, no, they don't. Please, except you want to fight, oh. And if you want to fight, better know how to fight, oh, because Nigerians are strong. I'm sorry. I missed you people so much. I'm sorry. My voice. There's this one. It's not going to be complete, but I have to explain it to you guys. When a Nigerian is angry and they've had it up to here, they need to know. I don't know about other cultures, but they need to let you know that, see, you've crossed the line. And you need to also commit. You need to commit yourself. You need to let me know that your head is not... You want to let me know that you want us to fight. You must commit yourself, right? So they say something like, for example, a Nigerian can carry something and draw a line on the floor. If they burn you well, cross this line. If they burn your papa well, I say, no, cross this line. See, if you cross that line, whatever you see, you get, okay? Whatever you see, just take it. They need you to be committed, right? So they say something like, if they burn you well, talk that thing again. You say, Tonda Fana Mamayash. If they burn you well, this person is giving you a chance. This person wants your commitment. This person wants to know that we're on the same page so that they don't rush you and kill you. If they burn you well, talk that thing again. If they burn you well, cross this line. If they burn you well, touch me. Touch me. Oh yeah, touch me. If they burn you well, touch me. Touch me now. Touch me. See me here now. See me here now. If they burn you well, touch me. But not always like that, I promise. One very triggering one is Olodo, empty head. So Olodo, hey God, it's just like an empty container. You don't know book, you don't have wisdom, your brain is empty. That's what Olodo means. And if that person is really dull and you call that person an Olodo, the person is going to do to you what only an Olodo can do to you. So don't do that. Occupy your mama. Occupy your mama. Occupy your generation. Occupy you for there. Now, I'm going to break it down. It says, Ogun by your mama. Or, Ogun by you. Ogun by your generation. By means kill. Alright? Ogun is a deity. Ogun is literally some people's god. Okay? People serve Ogun. People, I've seen Ogun before. When I went to Benin Republic, that was the first time. So Ogun is the god of iron. The god of iron. By your mama. The god of iron. By your generation. The god of iron. By you for death. Nah. You don't say that. I mean, we say these things jokingly. We say these things, but in a fight, in an argument, do not ever. Ogun, nah. Nah, I have to what? Okay, I've been joking a lot. Let us go to the pidgin phrase of the day. See, I've not filmed for like a year and everything seems so strange. I need to really come back. I really need to come back. So the pidgin phrase of the day is what? Your mama. Your mom. Like, you don't need to say your mother is a witch. Your mother is this. Your mother is that. Just tell me your mama. If you have a Nigerian friend, ask them. I don't want to go deep. Just ask them. What happens if somebody says your mama? Ask them and let me know what they say in the comments. Woo! Woman rapper. Nah, woman rapper, is literally you saying, I am a weakling as a man. You are a rapper That women, you know when women tie wrappers around their waist or a towel, that's what you are. You are such a weakling. I think I have something here. You are this, okay? This is a wrapper. And women just tie it like this. That is what you are as a man. That is what somebody has just called you. Woman wrapper. A weakling. A man that is controlled by a woman. A man that does not have a say, that cannot hold his home together. Don't do that. Except it's really a woman rapper. Except, of course. But if he's a normal man, and you go and call him woman rapper when you are fighting or arguing, try it. Try it and come and tell us next week what happened. Try it, yeah? Come and tell us in the comments. I be your mama. Hey, you don't gonna tell him, man. I be your mama. I'm your mother. You're mad. I be your mama. I be your mama. I am your mother. Put some respect on my name. Nah. Don't do that, sis. Thank you. Don't. Guy, you don't go die well. You don't go die well. It means that you're going to have a very terrible death. Okay, so you can say you don't go die well, or you don't go die well, you don't go die anyone. But it means your death is going to be painful and sad and tragic. How do we even come up with all these kind of things? If you're not Nigerian and you're watching me, in your culture, did you guys have all these strong insults? Because there's even one insult in a particular culture here in Nigeria. If you translate it, it means a dog will eat your corpse when you die. In your culture, is it like that? Terrible. Benny, you not go die well. Guy, you not go die well. Mark my words, you not go. Nah. Okay. I not go die well, Abi, but okay. Before I die, make I. I not go. You say wait, guy. Guy, you say I not go. Guy, you say I not go. Guy, you say. Guy, I know. If you talk to me again, I'll bend your mouth. I'll bend your mouth. I'm going to. I'll twist your lips, right? If you talk to me one more time, I'll bend your mouth. You'll bend my mouth. You'll bend my mouth. You'll bend my mouth. You say you go bend my mouth. You say you go bend my mouth. You say you go bend my mouth. It's like I can fight though. It be like say bomb dey your head. It be like say bomb. Bomb dey your. Bomb dey my head. I go show you how people wey bomb dey their head they behave. I go show you say guy bomb. Guy bomb. You say bomb dey my. I go bro. And of course, I cannot end without saying you dey Chris. You dey mad. You dey colo. You dey go cigar. You dey Chris. Organic guy. Guys dey mad. Why am I enjoying this a little too much? I'm the one that does not have voice. I'm the one that is screaming. You guys, I am so excited to have you back. I didn't plan this video. I just thought to come out here and say, I'm here. I've been seeing all your comments. I apologize. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for always being here. Look at me, I'm sweating. I was cold. Before I started filming. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much. Please share. Look at you guys who are at 11,000. When I left, we're probably at 9,000 and we're at 11,100 subscribers. You guys, thank you so much. Please share the good news with people that you think need this content, okay? I'm not really interested in growing and having all that viral subscribers and the people are not interested. Do you understand? So the reason why I am so grateful for all of you here is because you guys really are interested in this content and I'm so grateful. Sitwithnwanneka is back. How have you been? Tell me if you missed me. Did you miss me? I missed you guys. Let me know how much you missed me in the comments. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please give this video a thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Oh yeah, now, run now. Give a thumbs up now. Press thumbs up button. Give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends. Subscribe if you're not. And I'm going to see you when I'm going to see you. But that's going to be pretty soon. Okay? Not 1 year time. Okay? I'll see you guys this month of May. All right. Take care of yourselves. God bless you. Bye.